My name is Jenny. I'm 23 years old. I currently work at the front desk of Equinox in Palo Alto. I'm also getting ready for my first bikini competition in either September or October. And I started feeling a little bit of like lower back pain. I think it's just kind of due to either like working out and trying to lift heavy and also like having to stand and work all day.
All right, Jennifer. So it sounds like you're getting ready for a bikini contest? How's that going?
It's been hard, but like it's also a lot of fun in like a really weird way.
What makes it fun in a weird way?
Just seeing my body literally transform right like in front of my eyes.
Huh.
It's been a trip.
Yeah, we're just gonna go all the way through it, but initially worked on you with some upper body stuff, and so your shoulders are really important for any sort of body competition because you want your shoulders back and down. So we'll do that, and then a little bit of neck stuff just from stress in everyday life. So you feel like that hurts?
Yeah.
Is that how many see how like on the other side, see how it moves, and like on this side it doesn't? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get cracking. Deep breath. Good job. You. Good. You see how it moves now?
Yeah.
Nice. One more. You. Good. Deep breath. Pull up one more time again.
Oh.
Because we'll work on this shoulder too, bringing it back, so it's you have to consciously hold it as much. Deep breath. Good job. Nice. Good. Deep breath. Awesome. Good. Yes. Nice. Beautiful. Good job.
So I just finished my session. I feel very relaxed. What I really like about working with him is just how he's not scared of like hitting those spots just to get rid of them like right away. I feel a lot like looser, less tension going on. He does use this sort of like a machine to kind of like hit the muscle tension, which is what I was having, and it's a little bit like worked on, but because I've done it before, I know that by like tomorrow I'm gonna feel a lot better. So yeah, I'm excited.
Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron Vanderhoof. We hope you like this video. We really enjoy making them. Please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner and follow us on Instagram at Vanderhoof. And of course, if you're ever in the Silicon Valley area, come on by. We got your back.